And welcome to the Smart Science measurement video about the inclined plane. And in this lab, you're going to try to figure out how the angle of this inclined plane or ramp changes the force measured for a specific mass. So you're going to have 5 different angles you can try, and you're going to look at 10 different masses to easily compare those levels. At the top of the Explore page, you'll see a brief description of the lab, just some pictures of the equipment and a guideline on how to measure. Remember, here we're going to click on the metal tab on a spring scale. This is going to allow us to measure force from a given mass at a specific angle of the ramp. So you notice that we have a little information about dependent and independent variable here. Scroll down, you'll notice that you've got a central question. How does the angle of the ramp affect force due to mass on the ramp? And you're either going to click or write a hypothesis you'd like to test. I've just picked one here at random so you can see what it looks like in that hypothesis box. Now, once you've selected an angle, press the play button to watch the video. Notice as the masses are added to that train car, the force changes over on that close-up of the spring scale on the right. So let's go ahead and measure force for each given value of mass at this angle. If I click on the metal tab, you can see the first point, 0 mass gives you 0 force, and then we just go from there, just clicking on that metal tab each time. There is going to be some error, so think about that when you write your lab report. Why is this not exactly a straight line? What kind of issues might you have measuring that cause this to be a little bit varied? Once you do get through a set of measurements, if you don't like them, you can reset and do it again, or press save to go ahead and save that up top to your group of saved experiments. Click on one to view it in its native color. Click the all button to put all your graphs together. And once you finish your 5 graphs, think about how the angle changes the measured force for a given mass in this Smart Science inclined plane lab.